the Tesla plant in California is dead man walking. I think California will do themselves in. They'll regulate him out. Listen, he doesn't want to disrupt production, so he's in a conundrum.
Yeah.
He's not going to expand that plant, in my opinion, and that plant ultimately goes away as he moves into other states that are more friendly to him. I don't think Elon forgets much,
but I will be watching.
I can't imagine that he's happy with the plant in California. I know he probably loves all the people that work there with him. I know he's very loyal in that way, but to the state of California and how they treated Elon, I can't imagine that he is not looking for a way to move that production elsewhere.